Putting on stick deodorant seems simple enough until you're trying to avoid white streaks on your favorite shirt. First, start with clean, dry armpits so it rolls on smoothly. Pull off the cap, remove the plastic seal, and twist the bottom wheel just 2 or 3 clicks, enough so the plastic rim doesn't scratch your skin. Wipe 2 to 4 times for an even layer without caking it on. Then pop the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. Quick pro tip from dermatologist. Apply it at night or right after a shower when your body absorbs it best for longer lasting protection to dodge pesky marks on your clothes. Wait a few minutes to get dressed or stretch your shirt wide as you pull it over your head. If you still get a streak, a dab of dish soap and cool water will wash it right out. Now you're looking and smelling fresh and totally ready for your day.